Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're crossing the harbor here in Sydney over to the Taronga Zoo, where we'll be spending the rest of our day. So today's video is going to be a very quiet tour of the zoo where we're just chilling and looking at different animals and learning about them as well. This video is part 1 of 2. The first one is in Sydney, and the second one that I'll be showing you will be in Brisbane when I went to the koala sanctuary to feed the kangaroos, and that one is very exciting for me. So please continue watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
I want it.
Try that, Jack. With your nose. The water and then squirt it in your mouth. What do you reckon?
A lot of water.
Mom, you it's going to be heavier than a steamer.
Everything is kind of far away. These are some beautiful creatures. Where is this animal?
Let's run to go mommy's car.
I'm looking up, but I ain't seen anything moving. Oh, there it is.
This is the baby.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Going more in the shade because it's getting a bit warm, I think. Head in the shade. There might be some tunnels and stuff.
So you took a photo with Mummy's phone. So turn around, guys. Ready? 1, 2. Go next to Zen. I'm going to take a photo of you and Zen, and then look, he's smiling. Look.
Turtles. Just sitting there, eating grass, enjoying life. How cool. How cool.
She said she's like,
Okay, good girl.
She thought
Be
it was a
brave.
guy when I was.
Be brave, darling.
She thought it was a guy when I was.
Be brave.
This is what you do after.
Oh, Jesus. That thing. You can see everything from here. Wow. Amazing.
There's so many random little kids.
I need to find kangaroos and koalas.
For the afternoon, and every day she's
Some of the animals are hiding because it's so hot. What is this? I did not realize my little friend is up here. Look at this. It's eating.
Come here. Oh, get to the zebra.
It's eating. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at that. Oops. I guess this is the this is funny. Ostrich. Look at this. Look at this. It's so cute.
There's a sensitive nerve fibre, and that's what helps a seal like Diego detect his food when he can't rely on his eyesight. Now Diego's on a really healthy diet at the moment. He's packing away around 8 kilos of food every day. That's one of these buckets filled to the top of all of his favourites. But Diego, what happens when that seafood runs out? Unfortunately, we're overfishing our oceans, making it a lot harder.
We're right where the kangaroos are. What would be a visit to Australia without seeing kangaroos, huh? This thing is always sleeping. In a while, it's the first you guys see me, huh? So I'm here. I'm here. I'm taking nature's walk. Oh. Where I'm at. This river is so busy. So you have the speedboat, you have the ferry, you have the private boats, you have the yachts. It's so busy. This harbor is so busy. And today is Monday. And there are several yachts on the harbor having parties at midday. Can you believe it? Right here is so nice though. I like right here. Out of winter, man, feels so good not to be in winter right now. Why do I do this? Guys, I don't know. It feels good to walk though. And the sun is shining, the trees are just over you. You're feeling the cold breeze. It feels so good. But I don't know why the hell I choose to do this. Look at this is nice. I wonder if I can get down there. Man, if I could go for a swim, I can go down there. See that? I'm not going. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. By the way, guys, this is a park. Finally, I'm taking a rest somewhere. Where do I go? Where do I go? Look at this little man. So I decided to turn back from here because I didn't want the night to come and catch me there, and I definitely did not want to be sleeping with snakes and wild lizard. So I head back to the zoo section where I got a late ferry to go back to Circular Quay and back to my hotel. But it was a good day, a quiet day, and I needed that because usually when you go on vacation or you're traveling, your days are so packed and then you get tired. So this was a relaxing day for me and I enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this piece of the video as well. So please remember to subscribe and like and leave your comments. Bye.